Hello guys, welcome back to our another airdrop video. Today I will share with you a good airdrop. A confirmed airdrop is mental. The mental airdrop. This is 100% sure of confirm airdrop. No doubt this has been cannot cheat it. And what is mental? Mental network MNT. It released on Bybit, complete guide and max out campaign. What is Mantle? The Mantle is building the largest sustainable hub for on-chain finance through its core products, Mantle Network, Myth Protocol, Financial and Index Fund. Mantle is the building banking for the next generation by leveraging the transformative power of blockchain. Okay, answered by the mantle treasury, the largest community-owned treasury is the ecosystem mantle, ensure robust liquidity and financial stability. Okay, what is mantle? You can many people have been joined this airdrop. Okay, last year, those people who joined this mental airdrop in last year, they are so profitable. So this is a new. These are not a new project. This is a old project, and this is a old airdrop on Bybit. So MNT it released on Bybit overview. Mantle and Bybit have launched a comprehensive utilities ecosystem centered around MNT, offering users multiple benefits across five key pillars. The MNT utility space consolidates all available features, making it easier for users to maximize their tokens value within the exchange environment. Okay, users can access trading fee discounts of up to 25% on spot trading and 10% on derivatives when using MNT for fee payments. Okay, this is a fee payment of this. The integration includes over 20 trading pairs featured MNT various acquisition methods from spot trading to automated DCA plans, VIP status aggregated through MNT holdings, and multiple earning opportunities through Launchpool, Megadrop, and Yell products. The Bybit card integration allows users to spend MNT anywhere with discount only. Settlement fees brings crypto into I-Day transaction. The complexity ecosystem position MNT as a practical utility token rather than just trading asset. Okay, so how to access MNT utilities? How can you join this airdrop? So number one, create your Bybit. At first, you can create your Bybit account. This is absolutely you have a Bybit account. If you don't have, visit the official Bybit website and complete the registration process with your email and phone number or verify your identity with KYC. This is a must. KYC verification is must. If you don't done KYC, you don't join. You won't be joined this program or any airdrop program. Number two, navigate to MNT utility page. Log in your private account. Visit the dedicated MNT. It's Bybit utilities landing page. Explore five utility pairs, buy, use, hold, earn, and limited offers. Acquire MNT tokens. Choose your perfect acquisition method based on your needs, and fund your account with USD or the supported currencies. Execute your first MNT purchase through one of the available options by acquiring MNT on Bybit. Okay, spot trading. Okay, how can you buy MNT by Bybit? Purchase MNT through limit or market order with deep liquidity. The spot market offers immediate execution and supports over 20 trading pairs including MNT, USD, MNT, USDC, and Sol MNT. Convert features. We can also trade MNT and trade buy for spot trading, and also you convert features. You can swipe any token in MNT instantly with one click. This simply conversion tool supports over 500 tokens and provides quick, seamless transaction without navigation complex order books. OTC trading, you can also purchase OTC trading, purchase large amount of MNT at the fixed price with no slippage. The OTC dex is suitable for high volume traders where the price suitability and privacy are priorities. DCA Auto Invest. Okay. Automate MNT purchase with a hands-free dollar cost average plan. Set your investment amount and frequency, allowing the system to execute purchase automatically, regardless of market conditions. Discount buy. Acquire MNT below market price through special promotions. The longer the hold your discount tokens, the more you have, creating incentive for long-term holding strategies. Use trading benefits with MNT. Trading fee discount. MNT holders can use their token to pay trading fees and receive suitable discounts. Non-VIP users save on fees, while VIP members receive additional purchase reduction based on their tier level. Okay, the discount structure provides up to 25% of spot trading fees and up to 10% of derivatives trading fees. When combined with existing VIP benefits, their discount can significantly reduce. Multiple trading pairs trade MNT across 20 plus pairs on both spot and future markets. Popular pairs include MNT USD, MNT USDC, MNT USD, providing flexible to different trading strategies and profitable management strategies. And private card integration. Spend MNT anywhere with the private card while enjoying discount conversion fees. This feature bridges the gap between crypto holdings and real-world purchases, allowing users to utilize their MT for everyday expenses. Hold VIP status acceleration. Fast-track VIP benefits. Hold your MT allows users to push their assets valuable to 1.3x to 5x. When calculating VIP tier eligibility, their multiplier effect helps users to claim VIP tiers faster and unblock premium benefits without needing a maintain higher actual balance. Okay, premium benefit access, higher VIP tiers, unlock increased leverage option, better trading fee rates, priority customer support, and access and earn passive income opportunities. Launchpool participation stake MNT in Launchpool campaign to earn when newly launches token. These campaigns provide early access to new projects while maintaining ownerships for your staked MNT tokens. Megadrop event. Megadrop, this is the biggest huge potential of this Megadrop events. Participating exclusive tokens distribution events designed for MT holders. Megadrop campaign offer feature promising projects and provide additional earning opportunities beyond starting stage. Easy Earn products. Accessing simple, flexible earning solution with Easy Earn. These products offer competitive yields on MNT deposit without complex strategies and lock-up periods suitable for users seeking strategies forward passive income. Advanced Earn strategies. Experienced users can explore advanced earn products featuring higher potential yields. Can limited offer exclusive campaigns. Trademaster Grand Prix participates in competitive trading events with substantial prize pools. The current Season 5 feature won 18,000 of USD in rewards, with MNT holders receiving special benefits and entity advantage. This is the use of USDT, used of money you can use. So how can I use? Firstly, of course, you have to a Bybit account. Just go to this airdrop.io website and click join the campaign, and you can go to this your Bybit account. Okay, Bybit account page, and this is a dashboard, and you can get a mantle now, and you can buy your mantle and simply join this mantle project. This is a good project, 100% sure confirm project. Don't miss out this project. So see you again. Subscribe this video and like the video. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay, thank you very much.